Hello everybody, welcome back to the JNP Kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing my meal prep for the week. I'm going to be doing a Thai curry the way I do, a Texas Thai curry, I guess you would say, because I'm not Taiwanese. This is just how I do it. It's like I say, it's not the right way, but it's my way. So let's get into it. All right, so this is everything we're going to need. We're going to need about a cup worth of the chicken stock, red curry sauce, mixed vegetables. I'm going to use about a half of a pineapple, and I kind of cheated on the chicken. I got a rotisserie chicken because I didn't have time to fire up the grill today. Anyway, we'll get started. All right, step one is to get all the vegetables chopped. Thing's broken. Oh, maybe if you turn it around to the sharp side. Next, we're going to need our Instapot. Add a small layer of oil in the bottom of it. Set that saute sear high. Let that get nice and hot. Once that gets warm, we're going to go ahead and add our curry paste. I use one whole jar because no point in wasting it. Let that cook for a couple minutes. Once that starts smelling good, we're going to add a couple scoops of turmeric. Give it a good stir. Then we're going to add all our vegetables except for the bell pepper. Stir them up and let them simmer for a little while, about 5 minutes probably. After those soften a little bit, we're going to add all our juices, 2 cans of our coconut milk, and 1 cup of chicken stock. Give it a good stir and bring it to a boil. We're going to boil this till the potatoes and carrots have softened, about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, once those carrots and potatoes are a little softer, we're going to add our bell pepper in, let that boil for a couple minutes. Add some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper to taste. If I say salt and pepper to taste, that means I don't have to measure it. About a scoop and a half on both. Next step, we're going to turn off the heat because all this meat's going to be pre-cooked. We just need it to warm up. We don't need it to re-cook. We'll overcook our chicken. Once that's cooled down a little bit, we're going to add our deboned rotisserie chicken in there. And our sausage. We won't need all that sausage. About half of it. Add the sliced up pineapple. Give it a stir, and it's ready to serve. I'm going to serve this over a jasmine rice, and I'll show you that in a minute. That's how it should look. Okay, so all this is just some jasmine rice that I cooked up earlier. It's just boiled in some turmeric, salt, pepper, and a little bit of butter. And all I'm going to do is put my Thai curry over the top of it in my little bins for the week. And that is my food prep for the week. For the record, P has already tried it and it got her seal of approval. All right, some of you may have some questions about the box I was using. Indian women always have a spice box that they keep their commonly used herbs in. Uh, P's has got turmeric, salt, pepper, chili powder, garam masala, and a couple of things. I have no idea what they are, but that's the box I'm using when I'm making my curry, just in case anybody is wondering. Now, if you made it this long into the video and haven't liked and subscribed, I would appreciate it if you do that. If you didn't like what you were watching, I don't know why you watched all the way to the end, but best of luck to you. Everybody have a good evening. We'll see you next time.